How to log in Santander's Bank online banking account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in santander.com. As you do so, you will land onto the official website of santander.com. If you click on this option, it will show you various countries. Choose your respective country. And here, then you will see login option. Click onto it. At the section, you have to enter your ID. Once you do so, you have to enter your password for your Santander Bank. And click on the login once you are done. In case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on to forgot user ID or forgot password and get help resetting your account. If your credentials for your Santander Bank is correct, you will get logged into your account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.